Alright boys, what is good? Apologies for being on that camera today, like you're sitting on the laptop. I just gotta potentially manage a position while I'm doing this trade recap, but I'm just gonna try to set this up so I don't have to hold it today. That's so retarded. Fuck, I'll hold it. But anyways, this is a GJ trade that I have caught this morning. We're currently sitting in $250 profit, so it's about a 1-to-1 right now. However, coming into the day, I was looking for buys, and my major reason for this is we have this really good draw on liquidity at these highs here. We have 1, 2, 3 relative equal highs, and we've also swept 4-hour liquidity. We've sort of been chopping around, and if I'm being honest, there just doesn't look like anywhere bearish to go. We've been moving down for quite some time now, and it would just be nice to see us get some sort of legs up. Fuck, I think I'm actually gonna have to take profits soon. But anyways, so that was sort of where my bullish bias came from. I wanted to target these highs, and on market opening, we sort of started to get legs up, and I was kind of iffy about trading this move from here up because we'd already made half of the move. We'd taken out this first hourly high here, and it was just not that nice. I was looking for a 15-minute confirmation confluence, which we got. We had a break of structure here, and then I was looking for a 15-minute retrace followed by a reaction candle, and we just never got that. We actually ended up breaking structure to the downside, coming down and re-sweeping this 10 o'clock low. So from here, I still had my bullish bias in place, and I'm looking at this, and in my head, I'm accounting that liquidity or that movement this morning as we were generating liquidity. So with that in mind, I scaled down into a 5-minute time frame because we'd swept out this 1-hour low, and I was looking for confirmation. And that first confirmation for me was, let me hide this. Was the inverse of this fair value gap here. Now you see on the next candlestick, maybe not that one. Next candlestick, completely inverse that fair value gap. We don't quite break structure on this, but on UJ we break structure. So this was confirmation to me that we do want to go bullish off of that liquidity sweep. Now I had equilibrium marked out, and I was just looking for a retracement, something where I could, I believe they'll come back up, yeah. So I had equilibrium marked out. I was looking for price to come in here, sort of fill it, and then get a bullish move out. And I think it's this next candlestick here, yeah. So right here, we come up, we get our confirmation confluence on UJ, we inverse that fair value gap. And even though we have this 5-minute bearish fair value gap, we're still in an uptrend on the 5-minute time frame on UJ. And realistically, I was just ticking my strategy, and I was originally going to wait for this next candlestick to close and enter off of the inverse, but then it took me a minute, and I was like, you're better off to just stick to your trading strategy because this is what you got written down, this is what you backtest, and there's no point waiting for extra confirmation when that isn't necessary in your sort of trading strategy. So entered here, I've entered with stops below the body of these candlesticks. TP1 is just set at this high here, and I'm kind of going to try and catch a big movement. You know, I've got my TP2 here at the first of these relative highs, and I've got a TP3 all the way up there. So a bit of a nut drag, obviously, to get up to that third TP, but that's kind of what I want to start implementing in my trading. Yeah, so anyways, at this point, we've sort of come up, and we got a retracement. So I have actually de-risked on this trade heavy after we respected this little bullish fair value gap here. Right there, I've got my stops tucked right in there, we actually created an SMT, a bullish SMT from these range lows to those lows and these lows to those lows on UJ. So overall, this trade's looking really healthy on a 5-minute time frame. UJ looks average, GJ looks fucking solid to say the least. So I'll be looking to take profits pretty soon. But yeah, that is how I managed my trade today, how I found a winning trade. Hopefully it wins. This morning through the Asian session. So thank you boys for watching. Good luck in the charts. I hope that you can catch a win, and I hope that this actually turns into a win and doesn't reverse. Ciao.